In this video, I will show you how you can set Google Gemini as the default assistant on any Samsung tablet. Now to do this, first of all, just open the app drawer, then open the Google app. From here, just tap on the profile icon, and from this pop-up menu, just tap on settings. Now from here, just tap on Google Assistant. Now if you want to enable Google Gemini using your voice, just set up voice match. But for this video, I will only set Google Gemini as the default assistant. Now for that, on this page, just scroll down and tap on Digital Assistant from Google. Now instead of Google Assistant, just select Gemini. Select Switch, and after that, just select Use Gemini. Now as you can see, if you go to your home screen and if you enable the assistant, it will enable Google Gemini instead of the Google Assistant or any other assistant. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.